Most small business owners get this wrong. They think payroll is just about paying employees on time. So they pick any software that sends salaries and hope for the best. But that mistake can lead to tax issues, compliance problems, and expensive errors later. Here's the truth no one tells you. Payroll software is not just a payment tool. It is a compliance system that protects your business from legal and financial risks. And in this video, you'll understand the top 5 payroll software options for 2026 so you can choose the right one with confidence. Let's start with QuickBooks Payroll. This is one of the most popular choices for small businesses, especially in the US. It connects directly with QuickBooks accounting, which makes tracking salaries, taxes, and reports very smooth. It also automates tax filing in many cases. But here's the problem. It can feel expensive if you are just starting out. Now here's where it gets interesting. Gusto is a strong competitor and is often loved by small teams. It focuses on simplicity. You can run payroll in just a few clicks, and employees get a clean self-service dashboard. Imagine someone like Alex running a small marketing agency. He doesn't want complexity, he just wants payroll done fast. That's where Gusto shines. Next is ADP Run. This is a more traditional payroll system used by many growing businesses. It is extremely reliable and handles taxes, compliance, and employee management at scale. But here's the catch. It can feel overwhelming for very small teams and may include features you don't immediately need. Now let's talk about Paychex Flex. This tool is similar to ADP but offers more flexible plans for small businesses. It includes payroll, HR tools, and reporting features. It is a good middle ground if you plan to scale your business and add employees over time. Finally, we have OnPay. This is a lesser-known but powerful payroll solution. It is designed specifically for small businesses that want simplicity with full compliance support. It includes payroll processing, tax filing, and benefits management without unnecessary complexity. Now, here's the key insight most people miss. The best payroll software is not the one with the most features. It is the one that matches your team's size and how much control you want versus automation. If you are a solo founder or very small team, Gusto or OnPay is often enough. If you are growing fast or need strong compliance systems, QuickBooks Payroll or ADP Run makes more sense. To wrap it up, payroll software in 2026 is all about balancing simplicity, compliance, and scalability. Choosing the right one early saves you from messy payroll headaches later. If this helped you understand your options, like the video, comment your business size, and subscribe for more simple breakdowns that help you run your business smarter.